bass cannon, kick it.
Hello YouTube, today we're gonna be no. Hey YouTube, it's your guys Corporation. As you might have heard, they're doing a closing down school, so guess what? More time for me to make videos, but also, you know, they're gonna make me do work on class, so whatever. So let me know what you think about this outbreak or whatever. But anyways, that's not the point today. Today what we got in front of us is our BB tactical M1911. So what I did is just I disassembled it because it was having a little trouble with the spring thing or whatever, and then I just cleaned it a little bit and everything. So I'm like, wait, I could make an assembling video. So I'm like, there we go, whatever. Alright, so let's get right into it, shall we? So as you can see, we got the magazine right here. This is a BB, so no worries. I don't have a real one. It's just a BB. You can see the BBs load in, and right in front is where you put the BBs. So let's get the bigger picture here. This is the frame. I didn't want to disassemble everything in it because I just didn't want to do it. Right, so this might look plastic, but it's not. This is metal. Most of this is metal, so you can guess that it's mostly metal. So whatever. So in front of us we got little pieces for the parts of the gun. This thing right here already looks like a gun itself, but no, this is actually part from it. So let's start by assembling that first, because that's what I took out last, as I remember. So hold on. So let's see this piece. Let me get a bigger picture here. This piece, as I remember, slides down here, I believe. Alright, hold up, let me check. So as you can see right here, aligns right there, and there you go. Got that in place. As you can see, the little screw goes right there, and the little screw is this little guy over here. Yep, this little guy right here. Oh. Right. I just forgot I'm missing something. Hold up. Alright, so what I was missing was this. The tool I was using. I left it in the room. So let me just get a bigger picture on this. As you may see, this is just a... I forgot what this is called. I'm not sure. I think it's Phillips or whatever. Hold up. Bigger picture. There you go. So you can see, and it's the one with this one in the back. You see this one? The one in the back, that's the one. So, let's get this big one. Let me get a closer look. This is the really long one. That goes right through here. Right in the between, you can see it. Alright, so I'm gonna put it right in here. Alright, now, get the screwing. Screwing. Just tighten it up a little bit in order for it to go good. Yep, that's pretty good enough. We'll just make sure it's well tied. There you go. So, let's leave this here. So we got this in place. And now let's add the receiver right here, or whatever it's called, the primer, I guess, the prime pump. It comes with the two things. It's a little dirty, but who cares? Right. So this is what the thing that shoots out the arrow and the air in order to get the bullet, the BB in there. So the BB would be here, and then when this will push it all the way up here. When you cock the gun on the front, and then when you shoot it, let's go and then shoot the other gun. The bullet starts. All right, so this one came with this one in the back. There you go. So then you put it right on the gun. We put this right here. And then we put some force to bring this all the way back. Oh. That's not good. That ricocheted on my face. Let me get that. Alright, so we need to be careful with this. The gun's more dangerous building it than shooting it, I guess. Alright, so we put this in, and this time we make sure it doesn't ricochet by holding it with both hands. So push this one all the way in the back, and then as you can see, I need to put this thing right in here. There you go. So this is going slightly up. You might see, notice. This is the cocking mechanism. Alright, so we need to add the front part. This. Alright, so you can see it's missing a little screw in the front. That's because I have it all the way over here. Let me put this one right. Oh no, this is the big one. Oh, no, the big one is outwards because. Alright, so this side's bigger than this side. If you might not notice, when you get a closer look, you can see. Alright, so we got that in place. Now, this. Just kind of like the same thing as the other one, just a little bit more safer, I'm guessing. Alright, so there you go. And then push it all the way back. This could be a little harder than I thought. Well, that's the downside of owning a metal gun, that you have to struggle simply do a maintenance on it. Excuse me a little bit. A little struggle, it's kind of hard to get the metal gun. Now we got it. Alright. So, we need to put this in it. Alright, so we got this in here, and then we focus, and then let's try to focus it down. Put this in here, and then we screw it until it's tight enough. Oops, sorry, move the camera. Or my phone. Alright, so we're almost ready. We're missing the front part. You can kind of see. There you go, look at that. Now no one's messing with you. Well, not yet at least. So put the gun there. And then it's safe. The gun is safe enough for me to put this in here. No bullets yet. I showed you in the beginning. Alright, so then the last one, it's just to add this. No, let me focus the gun. Focus to the gun. There you go. Add this right here. And then we get the last screw. Yep, there you go. Yep, slippy hands. Alright. There you go. Put it in here. And then, well, screw it in. Oh, move wobbly. Put it, set it down. You might not be able to see that much of this part, but there you go. Probably, there you go. Just, oh, there you go. It's a little tight now. It's a little wobbly, so let me just push it down again. And then, there you go. Now it's no longer wobbly. So, you've got yourself the gun. There you go. And, boom. So, wait a second. I'm going to come for the ammunition. Alright then, so, as you can see, our target is just a small napkin with the little circle drawn into it. The ammunition is just a plastic BBs. Alright, so let's get the thing out. Alright, so here we got the magazine. Focus to the magazine. There you go, I think. Nope, I need to focus it inwards. Complicated new cameras. Now it's trying to focus to the background. There you go. You see? There. This was where we're gonna be pulling the bullets. So let's put this all the way down. And let's continue the loading. So I'm not gonna fully load it. I'm just gonna put in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that one rolled away. So let me just, how about just all of it? Why not? Just not even counting anymore. Let me get the one that rolled away. Okay, put this one. And then get this one all the way over there. You can kind of see it. All right. And the last one. Oh, that's too much. Let me take one out. There you go. Alright. Now, let's focus out there. Oh, we got another jam. That's why I was fixing it in the first place. But it's another. There you go. It's probably just a bad bullet. Alright. So, what I'm gonna do is kneel down on the floor to show you the accuracy of the gun. Alright. That's not bad. That is not bad if you look at it quite good, right? Let's try it up here. It kinda missed. Alright, where else? Let me try taking my aim. That's pretty close. That one is close. Who knows where that one bounced out? I didn't see that one. I'm not even paying attention like that. Alright, how about help here again? I don't know where that one ricocheted. What about on the bottom? Let me just try the bottom of the circle. Oh, there you go. Now I see it. Where else? There you go, next to it. Oh, I shot the bottom. Oh, but you can see closely. I was able to make a hole up there. Do you see that hole up there? I should have pointed upwards right there. You see it? Oh, hold the camera. Right there. Let me look at the camera. Up my fingernail, I made a hole on the back side of the napkin. That's pretty cool. Alright. So, let's continue firing. Oh, that one in the center. I think it's out. Yeah, it's out. So, I got a one extra bullet here that rolled away earlier. There you go, you can see it. Let me just put that one for the last shot. I'm gonna shoot upwards of the whole thing. Right. I'm gonna use my sight because why not? I'm using my eyes to shoot, so. Ooh, oh my god, it ricocheted up and hit that thing. Oh, that was so perfect. It just ricocheted and hit that thing directly. Damn. That went good. So, thank you for watching this video. As you can see, these are pretty cool. But you need to maintain them a lot, as you saw. This is just one of the many days I have to maintain it. As you can see, it's a little scratch, but hey, it makes it look cool. So remember, these are really cool toys. But remember that just because they're toys, doesn't mean that other people might not take them as toys. They do resemble a replica of a real weapon. So whatever you do, don't point these at other people, and don't shoot other people or animals or anything that lives. Don't hit anything. It hurts. These things hurt, especially this one, because this one's the metal one. Alright, so anyways, thank you for watching this video, and if you like videos like this, tell me and I'll show you more guns, because I'm trying to get this AK-47 that's like battery powered in hell, but they're hell of expensive. But let's see, if you guys like this, just comment on the video, and I'll see. If you guys want me to play to do other games like Pixel Gun or Minecraft or GTA or whatever games you guys want me to play, just tell me. I need to know what you guys like that I could show it to you guys the way you guys want it. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a good one.